I've been attacked by men in the water. I've been hit in the head, I've been yelled at, screamed at. The amount of times that happens is alarming. Like, that's not normal for a grown man to come and scream in your face.
The WSL came to that pretty late. I think it's the lowest bar in equity that we could really hit.
This is just one step forward towards reducing formal or structural barriers.
Women still feel the intimidation in the water.
There is a kind of underlying view of women assimilating to the preconceived ideas of the right type of board that you should have and the right type of way you should surf.
First time I heard sex sells, 16. I was like, no young girl's going to hear that again in surfing. It happened 2 months ago. And it's a 36-year-old man telling a room full of like teenagers, young women, that sex sells. So you know that's why the women are important. And I sat there going, do you not realise how creepy that is? And it was up to me to be like, hey, absolutely not. Investment in women works and has been shown to work time and time and time again.
If we want to really see change in the culture, in the broader community, we really need to work on the perception of the people.
I would probably lean into access, which means that it is more accessible for everyone and not just people that see themselves in it.
We would like to see more women in the leadership positions. We would like to see them in the governing bodies. We'd like them in the judging towers. We'd like them to be coaching more.
It would be really great to see more leadership from women and more opportunities for women to be part of decision-making processes.
Women can have their own space to be able to learn skills in the way that they want to be able to experience the sport in the way they want to.
Localism and territorialism should disappear as a barrier for women.
On social media, women could represent themselves, and so they were showing themselves as they surf in terms that they wanted to show themselves. They were showing themselves as knowledgeable about place, knowledgeable about waves, knowledgeable about making boards.
We need more women to speak up. So we've only started our research with some interviews. However, we would like to know more women, and we would like to understand what they need, what they expect from the industry, from the governing bodies. We can only make change if we hear them, if we understand what their needs are, and then we can create a positive and effective change for everyone surfing in the water.